Well, here's a look at the radar at 5:15 a.m. on our Thursday morning, and the inset here, the UND Skycam in Grand Forks. So far, no big barrage of snow in Grand Forks as we are in a blizzard warning. This issued by the National Weather Service at 3:52 a.m. on this Thursday. Blizzard conditions expected, total snow accumulations of 6 to 14 inches and ice accumulations of around 1/10 of an inch. Winds gusting as high as 55 miles per hour, and that's for portions of northwest Minnesota, northeast and southeast North Dakota until 10 a.m. Friday. Travel will be very difficult to impossible. So, but as of 5:15, no big problems in the Northern Valley yet. At this point, it appears the snow is farther west. Here's a look at the DOT cam on I-94 by Jamestown, where they had that bad pileup on Wednesday evening. Roads are beginning to get snow covered here. Let's go a bit farther east. This is by Castleton. You can see the roads, quite a bit of snow piling up there. I-94 by Castleton. And we'll switch over to Fargo at 5:23 a.m. Here's the Red River Bridge at Fargo, I-94. Looks just wet at this point as that snow begins to move into the area. So, back at the UND Skycam in Grand Forks, be on the lookout. Blizzard conditions expected today, heavy snow and high winds. I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNewZ.TV.